So we've been talking about a lot of flooding concerns all over the metropolitan area, so we want to get to Andy Alcock.
He's live in Johnson County, Missouri, where motorists have actually been having to reroute due to the flooding. Andy?
Yeah, Kelly and Laura, we are along State Highway 23, about 10 miles north of Knob Noster. A light rain is falling right now. Earlier in the day, we saw heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. Take a look behind me, and you can see the barricades set up along the highway here. They have been moved. The flood water has actually receded quite a bit here in the last several days. Earlier today, we did find some water rushing across the highway. It was much worse this past Sunday. Ray Houts, who lived just south of where the barricades are, took a photo from his front yard showing what looks like a lake on the other side. The issue on this stretch of highway is the Blackwater River, a tributary of the Missouri River. With rain today and more showers likely over the next few days, Ray tells us flooding could be an issue again.
It used to be a lot worse before they dug the ditches out down there. Any little bit of rain and it would go over the road and be flooded. But after this big rain that we've had, it was up over the road a couple of days ago and it was flooded out over on E Highway.
And this flooding problem is so frequent, there's actually a Facebook group called the Blackwater Brigade, and they post updates on whether or not the road is passable, including today. Live in Johnson County, Missouri, Andy Alcock, KMBC 9 News.
On the Kansas side of the state line, a spokesperson for the Miami County Sheriff's Office says floodwaters have receded there, but there is a flash flood warning, so they could return.